Come to see this 2-story townhome with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths is conveniently located in the Tuscany Preserve Community near Lake Marion. There are the breakfast bar and pantry in the kitchen and opens to the great room and dining room. Powder room and laundry room complete the first floor. While going to the upstairs, there are the master suite and 3 additional bedrooms. Master bedroom has large walk-in closet and master bath has dual sinks, garden tub and separate shower. You will love the amenities at Tuscany Preserve, which include fitness center, community pool, clubhouse, playground and tennis courts. Tuscany is close to Orlando with 4 nearby golf courses and the beautiful Lake Marion. Near all the attractions, including Disney World, SeaWorld, Universal Studios, and Legoland. The perfect location for the active family or enjoying your retirement or even investment.